Have you ever felt lost when someone asks where you are? Like you want to say the right word, but in, on, or at mixes you up? It happens to me all the time, and it makes me nervous in conversations. But today, we'll chat about it and feel more sure. Hi everyone, welcome to Practical English Today. I'm Eva, and this is our podcast where we learn English through real talks.
And I'm Jack. We keep it simple and fun so you can speak English like a friend.
Yes, exactly. Today, we're talking about everyday life. Jack, what did you do this morning?
Oh, I woke up early. I was in bed until 7. Then I got up and made coffee.
In bed? That sounds cozy. I was in my kitchen at 6. I like starting the day there.
Yeah. After coffee, I went for a run. I ran in the park near my house.
In the park? Nice. I sometimes walk on the street in the morning. It's quiet then.
On the street, be careful. Cars are fast.
I know, but it's safe in my neighborhood. So after your run, what next?
I took a shower. Then I sat at my desk to check emails.
At your desk. I do that too. My computer is on the table in the living room.
On the table? Mine is on a shelf. Anyway, I had a meeting at 9.
At 9? Was it in the office?
No, it was online, but I felt like I was in the room with everyone.
Oh, really? That's funny. Online meetings can feel like that.
Yeah, we talked about our project. It's due in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks? That's soon. My deadline is on Friday.
On Friday? Ouch. I hate deadlines on Fridays.
Me too. It ruins the weekend. So, after the meeting, did you go out?
Yes, I met my friend at the cafe.
At the cafe? Which one?
The one on Main Street. We sat at a table outside.
At a table outside. Sounds nice. Was it sunny?
Yes, it was. We talked about our weekend plans. I'm going to the beach on Saturday.
On Saturday? Great. I'll be at home in the morning, then out in the afternoon.
In the afternoon, what will you do?
Visit my sister. She lives in the city.
In the city? I live in a small town. It's quieter.
I like the city, but traffic is bad. Last time I was stuck in the car for hours.
In the car? That sounds boring.
It was. I listened to music on the radio.
On the radio? Good idea. I do that too when I'm on the bus.
On the bus? Wait, what? Don't you mean in the bus?
In the bus or on the bus? Now I'm confused.
That's funny. I think we say on the bus, like on a plane or on a train.
Oh, really? That makes sense. I always mix those up.
Me too, sometimes. Remember when I told you about my trip? I was on the train to London.
Yes, on the train, not in the train.
Right, but if it's a car, we say in the car.
Yeah, like I'm in my car right now. Wait, no, I'm not. I'm at home.
Good one. So, back to your friend at the cafe, what did you talk about?
We talked about work. He has a new job in an office building.
In an office building. Is it big?
Yes, on the 10th floor.
On the 10th floor. Wow. My office is on the ground floor.
That's easy, no elevators.
True, but sometimes I wish I was higher up, with a view.
A view of the city. That would be nice.
Yes. Speaking of views, at the beach on Saturday, you'll see the ocean.
At the beach? I can't wait. I'll be there in the morning.
In the morning? Early?
At 8. I like the quiet time.
At 8? That's early for a weekend.
I know, but the sun rises then. It's beautiful.
That sounds peaceful. I remember a time when I was at the park at dawn. It felt special.
At dawn? Nice. Moments like that make me happy.
Me too. It's a light emotional thing, right? Just feeling calm.
Yes. So what about your sister? When do you see her?
On Sunday, we'll meet at the restaurant.
At the restaurant? Which one?
The Italian one on Elm Street.
On Elm Street? I know it. Good food.
Yes, we'll sit in the corner booth.
In the corner? Cozy.
Exactly. Then maybe walk in the mall after.
In the mall? Shopping?
A little. I need new shoes.
Shoes? Mine are old. I bought them in 2020.
In 2020? That's a while ago.
Yes, time flies. Remember the pandemic? We were all at home.
At home, yes, for months.
In lockdown, it was hard.
But we learned things, like I started cooking more.
Me too. I made bread in the oven.
In the oven. Yum.
It was fun. Now I bake on weekends.
On weekends. Good hobby.
Thanks. So, Eva, tell me about your week. Any plans at night?
At night, I watch TV in the evening.
In the evening, what show?
A comedy. It starts at 9.
At 9, I watch news at 10.
At 10, before bed.
Yes, then I'm in bed by 11.
In bed by 11. I try that too.
Good. Sleep is important.
Absolutely. Oh, remember that funny moment last week?
Which one?
When you said you were at the gym in the pool.
Wait, what? I said that?
Yes, you meant in the pool, swimming.
Oh no, I said at the pool. That's wrong.
Yes, we say in the pool for water.
That makes sense. I was embarrassed.
Don't be, it's a common mix-up.
Thanks. Like at the door or in the door.
At the door, if you're waiting.
Right, or on the door if it's a sign.
On the door, yes.
See, we learn from mistakes.
True. So let's think about holidays. I'm going to Paris in summer.
In summer, exciting.
Yes, I'll stay in a hotel.
In a hotel, near the Eiffel Tower?
At the center. No, in the center.
In the center, perfect.
And visit museums on weekdays.
On weekdays, smart, less crowds.
Yes. What about you? Vacation plans?
Maybe in July, to the mountains.
In July. Cool.
I'll hike on the trails.
On the trails. Sounds adventurous.
A bit, but relaxing too.
Nice. Oh, I have a story. Once I was lost in the airport.
In the airport, what happened?
I asked for directions, said, "Where is gate at?"
Where is gate at?
I meant at the gate, but it came out wrong.
Oh, really? Funny.
Yes, the person smiled and helped.
Good. People understand.
They do, so practice helps.
Yes, like saying, meet me at the station.
At the station, clear.
Or the book is on the shelf.
On the shelf, easy.
And we live in Canada.
In Canada, big country.
Yep, small words, big difference.
So true. I feel better now chatting about this.
Me too. It's like everyday talk.
Exactly. Remember, like, in the morning, on Monday, at 5.
Yes, in the morning for time periods.
On Monday for days.
At 5 for exact times.
Perfect. We use them naturally.
That makes sense.
It does. Oh, one more. I'm happy in my job.
In my job? Wait, at my job?
No, in my job means the field.
Oh, at work for the place.
Yes, small things.
Fun to share.
Totally. So, listeners, think about your day. Where are you now?
Maybe at home or in the car?
Or on the bus?
Yes.
Practice saying it.
Tell us in the comments, where do you use in, on, or at today?
Yes, comment below, share a sentence, and practice with friends.
It builds confidence.
Like and subscribe for more talks. Thanks for listening. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.